Hello! In this video, we'll start to design the components into the Fusion. So first, let's talk a little bit and understand what are the components of our mechanism. So, how this mechanism will work? The main axe will be rotated using the handle, and by the rotation, it will activate the crank. The crank will rotate as well, and will move around the fork, which will activate the hinge, and the hinge being activated will move the bar to the left and to the right. So what we need to have is a holder, which will have a base and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pylons. We will have the main axe, which will have here part that we'll discuss in the next videos about it. We'll have again the handle that will power the main axe, the crank, the fork that will be inserted into the crank and connected to the hinge that will help the bar moving to the left and to the right, and also the bar. So those are our components. So let's go to Fusion and make the components. So what I want to do is to activate the root component. I will hide the sketches, I will hide everything, and I will go to Assemble, New Component, and let's start with the crank. I will go again to the root component, Assembly, and I will have main axe. I will go to the root component again, and I will create a new component. And this will be, let's say, the bar. Let's don't forget about the holder, because this one is the first one that we will design. Handle. Let's add the hinge as well. And the fork. Let's see if everything is in place. So we can see the main axe here, the handle, the hinge, the fork, the crank, the bar, and the holder. So right now we have all the components. So we can start designing the holder. For this, I'm gonna get the sketches into the holder component. I will delete this one because I don't need it, and I will delete the canvas as well because I don't need it. I'm having those sketches with the dimensions and I can work with them. And I will activate the holder component. What I will do is now I will start extruding. So let's do this. I want to extrude this side first. It will have 80 divided by 2 in one side, but we will do symmetric. So we have the base. Let's see if it has this, the right dimensions, 80 millimeters and 160 millimeters. Awesome, so we started the base. Let's call it base. And what I need to do now to continue the holder is to use the side view, but first I want to edit it a little bit. I'll go to Edit Sketch, and I will go to the middle of those, and I will put some circles. And 5. Okay, so the bar will go through this circle. And this will be the pole. Finished sketch. And I will do the same thing. I will just edit the side view, edit, and I will do the same thing. 10, 6, and I will trim the lines that I don't need. I will finish the sketch. Okay, and now what I can do is I can extrude them, and to be more precise, I can click on the side. Okay, so as you can see, 40 millimeters. I need two sides, so I will have only 40, and the other side will be minus 36. So in this way, I will have, as you can see, I'm following this line, and I will do the same thing in the other direction as well. Okay, extrusion, I'll go to the other direction, two sides, there we go, 36. I will hide a little bit the sketches, and as you can see, there we have a starting for the holder. Into the next video, we will continue the holder using the sketches.